Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clarice, and for today's video we are doing a back to school college haul. My classes are currently online, but then the last 7 to 10 weeks I think we are allowed to go back to school, like the actual building. And so most of the things that I'm about to show you are homeschool friendly, at least I believe so. And so I hope that you get something from this video. I hope to share the most information that I can, and I will link down everything in the description box since I did get most of the things in this video online. So right here, I'm right next to my desk, and I don't know if you could see it, but in the background I do have a desk organizer that's actually a frosted organizer from Target. And since I've already unpacked most of my school supplies and I kind of organized them already, I'm just gonna show it to you this way. But I'm gonna start off with this one. I got this one from Walmart. This is just for my flashcards, and inside I actually already placed some index cards right here. So this is perfect, so when you have different classes for, you know, different flashcards also, you can just organize them in this envelope. The next thing in here is my calculator. This is just the Casio FX 115 ES Plus, and it's just a white one. It comes in pink as well. I'm not sure if they have darker colors, but I got the white one and it's cute. I won't be in fashion school anymore, but I still do fashion, so the reason why I got these because I need them for my pattern blocks or when I make patterns, when I draft patterns, so there you go. Then in here, more index stuff. This one is from Walmart, and what's nice about this is that you can carry it in your purse if you want to practice with your flashcards. It has this keychain right here, so it's really nice and handy. I also got a pack of erasers. These are the Pentel high polymer erasers. These erasers last for so long. They work amazing, so I highly recommend these erasers. Also, I got these post-it flags just for note-taking in your textbooks or notebooks. And then lastly in this desk organizer is this pack or set of post-it notes from the Up and Up brand from Target. So that is everything in this container, and I think it's perfect. It can hold quite a lot. I also put a couple of scissors in here. So the next container that I have is right here. Again, I've already packed most of the things. So here I have my zebra mild liners. You see them everywhere in the internet. I got mine from Target, and I believe this is the pack of 15 or 16. I just got 3 pens right here. It comes in a pack, and this is the Pilot G2 .38. So I like my fine lines in gel ink, and I got this. Also for my pencils, I only got this pack right here of, I think this is, I believe this is from Target. It's their U brands, and it's in these cute colors in blue, this coral, and this sage color. Since everything is online, I'll be staying at home. I kind of want to put everything all in one binder, so if I wanted to go to my bedroom or here in my workspace, I could just carry this whole thing with me. So I've already placed dividers in here. I've already labeled them with my classes, and here I already have my student access, and then I've already placed here my lab kind of booklet. So this binder is also from Target. It's the 1.5 inch D-ring binder, I believe. It's right here. There you go. I got a pack of Muji notebooks. I think this is the B6 or B5 notebooks, I forgot, but I got mine from Amazon and I've used these notebooks for years. They are so expensive in Amazon. Back when I was in Philippines, I believe I only get them for 275 pesos. That's not even $10. I think it's like $5 or $6, not even, but it's a pack of 5. I gave one to my sister and I just put stickers on them. And they're nice and thin. They're perfect for lectures or for classes that you don't really take a lot of notes. But if you do, they're still perfect because they have these fine lines. It's narrower than college rules, so they're really nice. The next notebooks I have here are for my lab classes or math classes. These notebooks are perfect for my lab classes, especially for my bio and my chemistry. I can use this side for lectures, and then I can just flip it and then use the other side for my lab notes. The next notebooks I have here, I'm not sure where I'm gonna use them, but they're quite thick. When it comes to lectures, I don't really like, you know, big notebooks, but I got these and I found these from my local Ross, and these are just so cute. Look at this oil spill with, I don't know, is it oil spill or marble? But it's cute. It's college rule, so hopefully and maybe I can use these notebooks for next semester. One of the things I'm most excited about to share is my planner. This is from Erin Condren. I got it online and I got it customized with the colors that I want and with my name on it, so that's really cute. This is the academic planner and it's from August to July 2021. I won't be using these bags until we actually go to class, which is the last 7 weeks of school, or maybe I can use these for next semester. But here's the first one. This is the Fjallraven. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Fjallraven Konkin backpack, and I got mine from Urban Outfitters. It's not the one with a padded laptop sleeve. It's just, this is just a regular one. The other bag that I got is for when I won't be carrying any books or notebooks. Just, it's either my laptop or my iPad. And here I have the Marc Jacobs the tote bag, and I got it in beige. Believe it or not, this is their small size. And it's quite big already. It can fit a lot. It does have a zipper, and then it comes with a shoulder strap. So, excuse me. The last things that I'll be showing you are kind of the tech stuff. I'm gonna start with this keyboard. This is actually for my iPad Pro. I don't have a decent keyboard. I do have one that came with my case that I got from Amazon, but it's kind of crappy. But finally I got this one. This is the Logitech K380, I believe. It's pink and it's really cute and I'm so excited. I've been using it. But there you go. That's from Logitech. The thing that I'm most excited about for this school year, because I finally got the MacBook Air 2020. It's in here. This bag and the case that you will see is from Amazon. But here's the charger. I was gonna do an unboxing, but I just thought, I mean, there's quite a lot of unboxings already, you know, and they kind of look the same. So, and I was also, you know, too excited to use it. So here you go. This is my MacBook Air. I got the gold one. It kind of looks rose gold actually, but as you can see, it is so pretty. It's in this case right here. It's a matte pink, and I did buy the base model for this MacBook Air, so it does have the base memory and all. So to go with it, I just bought this external drive right here. This is from Amazon. It has its wire. This is the 512 gigabyte, I believe. The MacBook Air does have this Type-C ports right here, and you know, you don't really have the USB, so that kind of sucks because Apple wants you to spend more. So I did buy this USB hub right here that comes in 6 ports right here. You have another Type-C, 3 USB ports, and then it's an SD card and a micro SD card reader. So I did get this MacBook from the Apple education website. So if you're watching this, you're in college. I'm not sure about high school students, but if you're in college and you're watching this and you're planning to buy any Mac product, maybe an iPad Pro or a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro, do buy from the Apple education website because you do get it for cheaper, and you get AirPods for free, and you have a choice to upgrade it for such a discounted price. So I went ahead and upgraded to the AirPods Pro, and this case is just the cutest. I got it from Amazon as well. I did quite a lot of research for this MacBook Air. I decided to go with the Air instead of the Pro just because I believe I can do quite a lot of things with my iPad Pro already, so I went with the Air just for papers and research and all. The MacBook Air tends to kind of heat up if you are doing quite a lot of things. So far that never happened to me, but just in case, I got this bamboo, it's huge. I got this bamboo fan or cooler, whatever they call it, from Amazon, and yeah, I thought it was just important to have, based on what I've been watching and based on my research, kind of need a cooler for your MacBook Air. So that is everything for this haul. I think it is very like homeschool friendly with all the gadgets and the notebooks and the desk system. I do hope this video was informative and helpful for you guys as well. Let me know in the comment section how your school for this 2020 will be. I don't know, how's it going to happen? Is it online? Are you back in school? Are you doing remote, online, or hybrid? Let me know. It should be interesting, and let me know which country you're from. If you're from Philippines or in the US, because I believe most of my viewers are from Philippines, so let me know how it goes. And yeah, that is everything for this video. You guys stay safe, and prayers to everyone, especially in Philippines. I hope you guys are doing okay in Manila. Keep safe, keep praying, and keep the faith, and God bless everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.